Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited. Apologize for the wind. A little rowdy today. 303-666-9020. JeepsUnlimited.net. This frame and I like it. So it's not a perfect frame. It is straight. It is rust free. So in that sense, it is perfect. But there's one big flaw on it, and I'll point it out right away. It's got the ends cut on them here. And what the guy did is he cut out the tub as well. He cut out the fender wells way big so he could fit a big tire on it. And in order to compensate, I guess, for the tire clearance, he cut these little wings off. So not a huge deal. Be a fairly easy fix. And actually, normally those aren't rusty if your Jeep is rusted out. Thank you, Gunnison, for going right in the way. Anyway, so yeah, you could cut those off on yours and re-weld them on, or replace the whole bar, which is also, or just leave it alone, I guess. It depends on what kind of bumper you're putting on. The bumper otherwise, it's a really nice frame. It's a 6-cylinder Wrangler YJ frame, 4.0 or 4.2. They're the exact same. If you were going to use this on a 4-cylinder, you could, but you'd have to move that and that, which are your motor mounts, back to compensate for the shortness of the block. I've been doing this a long time. This is a grade B. It would be a grade A if it wasn't for the end of it being cut like it is. Frame on the front, where the front bumper mounts are perfect. There's nothing wrong with those. And it's a factory frame, meaning that there's nothing else done on it, modified on it. It will go on like it came off as far as that goes. Let me flip it over and show you. I like to do these videos on our higher dollar items, frames, tubs. We do have a couple tubs left. There's not many of them. YJ tubs sell pretty quickly. Whatnot. So this is the bottom side of it, as you can see, very clean as well. Another area that loves to rot out on these guys is where the belly pan goes. This one's beautiful. Actually, the black paint that you see in between there is still the factory paint. I have not cleaned this frame up, doctored it at all, or made it look better than it already is. So just to show you, if you rub this enough, that's all factory black paint. So got a little bit of dirt build up, but that'll wash right off. And yeah, that's about it. Let's see, other areas. Now this guy here, you want to press off or bang off, cut off, whatever you want to do. Sometimes the bolts just come up on them. So pull them when they're easy. If not, you guys get lazy and don't. So, otherwise, you got a real nice frame here. So enjoy, and let us know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. 303-666-9020. And those are all our our tubs, although those are a lot of TJ tubs. We have only 2 of our YJ tubs left, so give us a call. Thank you.